Welcome to the Gold Rush, and as the name implies, it's your chance to strike it rich. Now, before I begin, I got to tell you there's a little bit of bad news. The bad news is from the green and the silver and the platinum incomes, you can only make $100,000 a month. But the good news is from the Gold Rush, you can make another $100,000 a month. Now, I know when you say that, people say, oh, please, yeah, let that happen to me. Well, it doesn't matter if it's 10% of that or 20% of that. Whatever occurs, it's still a tremendous retirement income. And this part of 124 is the fun part, because for me, and I think for most people, it almost makes this like a reality game. It's something you can truly have a good time with. Now, here's how it works. When somebody joins 124, they get 24 green tickets. You're allowed to use one of those green tickets every month. On the 24th of the month, the company takes a look at what everybody's doing. If everybody's used their green tickets, nothing happens. But if some of the green tickets are available on the 24th, we start what we call the Gold Rush. What happens is this. I'm in the program. You put me in. I don't use my green ticket. For whatever reason, I just don't use it. I don't get it. All right? You're out there, and you're somebody that you've got a tremendous waiting list. You've built up hundreds of names on your waiting list, and you want to go after that additional $100,000 a month. So you want to be able to get people off your waiting list and into 124. So you come to me, even though this is an automated system, and say, hey, Mark, you're not using your green ticket. I'm going to take it. And what happens, it becomes a gold ticket. And when that becomes a gold ticket, for me, giving it up, what it can mean to me is $100 a month. In other words, as that position starts to grow, and you can imagine this, from one gold ticket, you could literally go to $100,000 a month. Not saying that's going to happen, but it could occur. So when I give that ticket up, the most that I can make off that ticket is $100 a month. You, on the other hand, can make up to $100,000 a month. So for the guy that gives it up, hey, think about this. If I got 24 green tickets and I'm so silly, I don't even know how to build this business, and I give up all my green tickets, I could literally get to the point where I'm making $2,400 a month retirement income for doing nothing but handing away my green tickets. For you, on the other hand, since you've got a waiting list and you're taking advantage of the Gold Rush, every time on the 24th of the month, when everything opens up, and what we do when we say open it up, the site will start to flash. It'll start flashing gold. We will send email notifications flashing, telling you that the Gold Rush is on. You're going to take people off your waiting list. You're going to start putting people in, and what's it going to do? It's going to increase your income, because every time you put in somebody and you use one of your tickets or somebody off your waiting list, you are increasing your income. And so this program of the Gold Rush, what it's designed to do is, number one, for the person that really wants to go after the big income, it gives them a huge amount of people to pull from to take green tickets. Because again, remember, you only use one a month. And for the people that don't use them, like the example I used to myself, it keeps me in the business, because why would I ever leave 124? Why would I ever leave if my income's going up every month by giving away my green tickets? So you see what happens with this linear compensation plan, it's a win-win for everybody. The person that takes it, becomes a gold ticket. The person that gives it up, it's a win-win. And ladies and gentlemen, that's again one of the unique things about this concept that no one's ever done. There is nothing like this anywhere in the United States. And I think that's going to be one of the most exciting parts about 124 is this Gold Rush.